Hey guys, Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over some of the best accessories here that I would recommend for your MacBook Neo. Obviously, this is the most affordable MacBook out there. It is such an awesome opportunity for anyone to now be able to get into the Apple ecosystem with the ability to make content through light editing, gaming, creation, workflow, you name it. With that said, you're gonna need some accessories here to do it. In the box, it didn't come with sufficient, so we're gonna go over plugs, cables, expanded storage, cases, laptop stands, mice, you name it. With that said, I do have a relationship here with the majority of these products here and the companies. So this video is sponsored and I'll have their links down in the description. You guys can check out as they are an affiliate link that I get kickback from. With that said though, let's go ahead and show off all these products, show you how you can level up your MacBook Neo, see if these budget items here are something you're interested in. Mac Neo is definitely for folks here, especially if you're in education or school and whatnot. So let's go ahead and show you some products here that fit that standard. Obviously, you've got the 20-watt cable that it came with. This isn't sufficient. I would highly recommend this dual port 65-watt, very slim folding power plug here from the folks at Nomad. This is my go-to here. It's so small, super thin, fits in your palm. It's like twice as thin as the one that Apple comes with, yet gives you two different ports here with split wattages here up to 65 watts. The one in blue does push out 65. So you'll need a cable here that supports that. Apple makes a fantastic 100-watt cable. This is 2 meters. This is my go-to here. Although the Mac Neo only charges at about 35 watts from what I understand, you still have the option to be able to charge 35 watts and then split it with another peripheral if that's something you're interested in. I've got now some expanded storage. This is a 1 terabyte USB 3.0 or USB-C, depending on which form factor you're looking at. 1 terabyte storage. They do have a half a terabyte or even up to 4 terabytes. This is nice. It can fit all the different ecosystems. It can just plug right into your Mac Neo. It's got a low profile here, allowing you to immediately connect to it and be able to have expanded storage here direct into your MacBook Neo. Next on my list is the Logitech MX Master 3S for Mac. This can support up to 3 different connections here. There's the MX Master 3SM, super easy to connect through Bluetooth, and then that gives you a very ergonomic, durable, long-term gaming workflow creation solution here with nice clicky buttons, a metal mouse wheel. You've also got a wheel on the side here if you want to use some of those dragging functions, and then you even have 2 extra buttons here. This is a high-end mouse that I highly recommend, something that is really unique and sleek. Next up is audio. This is the Sony WH-CH720N Bluetooth noise canceling headphones that have been slashed in price due to the changes in the market and some of the new products that have come out. It's an awesome option here to be able to connect through Bluetooth. It does have a 3.5 millimeter jack, so if you wanted to, you could wire in to the port here on the MacBook Neo, or you can do Bluetooth here, which is something that I would actually recommend. You can connect to their app to be able to get an equalizer and be able to control all the functions of your device from here. Next up is this 8-in-1 laptop stand. I think it's an awesome option here for you to be able to accessorize. It comes with a cable to connect directly to it. If you just wanted the ports, you don't necessarily have to set it up. You have all of the importance like the USB 3.0. You also have SD, micro SD, 3 ports that are for USB-C, and then you can even output HDMI. Really sleek metal contraption here to be able to stretch to whatever size you need, including those that support MacBook Pro. It's easy to set up for the Mac Neo. You go ahead and just extend it there. It's got these little silicone pads to allow you to be able to connect. And then you have this little ratcheting system here to get whatever angle that you need to be able to connect your device to. You can see here, it will hold it up, giving you that angle that you need. Or if you wanted something a little more easel-like, you can adjust that here while plugging into the ports, giving you access now to HDMI out. You can use USB Type-C, SD cards, all of those different functions here are now available to your Mac Neo. I like that. The last option I think is a case, and it's important for you to be able to get something that will protect, obviously, because this is an important and expensive investment. You can go ahead and throw in all of your different accessories here. It's got this really nice pocket to be able to do so. You may not be able to fit your mouse in there, but all those other cables are able to fit in there without a hiccup. You can zip them up here. On the inside, it's got this real nice dense foam and soft infused microfiber cloth here that's going to give you a nice corner armor and protection, especially in those high impact areas. It's got this textile and fabric on the backside that's going to repel dust and resist water, which makes it nice. And then they've got the zipper that is sewn in, so that will also give you additional protection there from the elements. It slides easily in there, allowing you to be able to close it shut and give you that protection that you need for this nice, important investment. With that said, the wife is using this here for her small business as well as some education. It's a perfect size here and weight for a student, for someone who's looking to level up their content creation, and the MacBook Neo needs to have accessories to support that. You've got a bunch here, including a mouse, you've got headphones, you've got a laptop stand here, as well as storage expansion, and even plug here that's super lightweight, that's gonna give you super fast charging for your travels, your commute, whatever it is that you're looking to do here with MacBook Neo. With that said, I do have a relationship with a lot of these companies here. Most of this stuff I did purchases with my own money, but because of that relationship, this is a sponsored video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability for everything that we go over. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. I hope you guys enjoy your MacBook Neo as much as I am. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.